Adding more space to your home is a big decision. Many homeowners choose to finish or remodel their basements. This could include installing an egress window. Stay tuned to learn more about installing an egress at your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Egresses are becoming more popular to install as homeowners are wanting more livable space in their basement. In this video, I will let you know who should have egress windows installed and the pros and cons of installing an egress window. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. An egress window is perfect for anybody that's trying to create more livable space in their home using their basement. This is a great point because it can only be labeled as usable square footage if there's two egress escapes. One would be the window, the other would be the door of the room. And so if you're wanting to create a safe, livable space in your basement, egress windows are going to be what you're probably going to need in your basement. One of the big pros is just being able to list that as an additional usable square footage when you go to sell your home. This usually increases your home value by being able to list 4 bedrooms instead of 3 or 5 instead of 2. This increases the value of your home. The other major pro is just safety. Having that additional fire escape is very important to the safety of your home. Egresses are not generally cheap. They can cost a good amount of money, and to do it properly, you're going to dig up the landscaping around your home to put that well in there that's the appropriate size for that fire escape. And so it's going to change a little bit on how the outside of your home looks like, and while the installation's going on, there's going to be a little bit of a mess. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about egress windows for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.